What it do, man? It's your boy Mike Long, man. I'm back at it again, man. Back with another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. Big Mike Vlogs. Today, I don't know if y'all hear it in the background, but today, man, I'm just gonna show y'all some of the little stuff I got going on with the Tahoe. We're finna change the oil, change the little air filter. I got the cabin air filter, but I don't know if I want to fool with that today. I got some parts coming in too. Hopefully they'll be here by tomorrow, so I can put them on this weekend, man, and give y'all some more footage of this Tahoe that we ready to get in. We're ready to hit the road in. But yeah, let me show y'all right quick. Let's see. Got this fender right here. It's cracked. So, and right there. So I had to get another one. I was trying to save it, but I gotta get another one. This headlight right here is cracked. Well, it broke off right there. Right there. Fender dented in. So definitely gotta get another one of them right there too. This light right here is all the way freezed up. You feel me? That was lame in here. Anyway, this light messed up, so I gotta get another one of them. But yeah, this right here, I'm probably gonna have to end up getting another one of them. But that ain't that for real. We can really take that off. But yeah, y'all see that motor, man. It look good up under here. I ain't did nothing to it yet. We finna move this out the way. We finna change this air filter right here today. Change the oil in it. And what else I got over here? Just a little basic cabin air filter, regular filter. Got like a little frame oil filter, extra quart, Mobile One. That's all I use in all my cars. Full synthetic Mobile One. I got a charger, man. That mother got 2013 charger. That mother got like 200,000 miles on it, man. I ain't gonna say what I want to say, but you know, using that Mobile One, I feel like, you know, that's what helped it held up so many years and so many miles. But yeah, enough for all that talking, man. Let's get straight into it, man. Alright, so I got the air filter out. It's over here. I mean, besides it being dusty, like, it really don't look that bad. Like, I didn't see something look worse. But yeah, you can see, can't see through it for real. Changed it. Let's bust open a new one right here. A little bit more better right there. Yeah, we ain't beating now. Huh? It's been used. So you can see through this one, like, yeah, kind of, sort of. You can't see through that one. And it's just time anyway to change it. Cap can't. Alright, so I didn't show y'all, but I got the air filter put in there. That's simple. I don't need to show y'all that. So we finna go ahead with the 6 quarts. This only 5, but you know, 6 quarts of oil in the Tahoe. Get my girl running right. You feel me? Bam. Just like that right there. And probably not gonna show y'all that either. I'm just gonna come back when I get done with it. And I mean, if you watching this, you probably already know how to do this, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway how to reset the oil life on the inside. So yeah, get back with y'all in a minute, man. Alright, man, so I just put some oil in here, 6 quarts, y'all seen. Couldn't show y'all that because I don't know if y'all know, but in the country, man, these mosquitoes is stupid. These more going crazy. So I got everything on. Finna crank it up. Let it run for a little minute. Let the oil filter build up a little oil, you know what I'm saying? And let's turn it on while we up in here. But hotter than a mug. Woo, goddamn mosquitoes, boy. Mosquitoes are not playing in the country, boy. Yeah. Alright. Turn this up right here. Boy, I'm gonna let this run for a few minutes. Oh shit, y'all can't see me. Yo, I don't know if that's better or not, but I'm gonna let this run for a few minutes. Take me a little break right quick. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go and show y'all on here how to reset the service, not the service, the oil life percentage or whatever. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go here by pressing these buttons over here. We're gonna go bam, press it again. Yeah, mine ain't working. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, right there. And we're gonna hold that button right there until it go back to 100. Bam. We in the game now, man. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Come on, man. Okay. Anyway, y'all get it. There we go. Y'all get it. Y'all see what it is, man. I took the radio out because I gotta fix, man. They had like a bunch of cables up in here. I do not like that. So I got the radio right back there. I'm put it back in here. It's a Pioneer. And that's it, man. Like I said, man, appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Just a little something I'm trying to do, man. Trying to fix this Tahoe up. And trying to make a good video for y'all, man. Anyway, appreciate y'all, man. Peace out, man.